हाँ दीदी का साथ है, लेकिन दीदी को सोच लेना होगा दीदी कौन लोग को लेके चलेगा। मेरा साथ ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं है, अभिषेक बनर्जी का साथ ब्लड रिलेशन है, ठीक है। दीदी को अभी सोचना होगा जिस लोग का साथ ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं है, जो लोग 35-40 बरस दीदी का साथ काम करते हैं, दीदी उन लोग को नहीं चलेगा, नहीं जिसका साथ ब्लड रिलेशन है उनको लेके चलेगा। दीदी को यही भी समझाना होगा। आई विल रिक्वेस्ट दीदी, if you depend upon the Abhishek Banerjee, then you remain with the Abhishek Banerjee, leave me. And if you leave Abhishek Banerjee, I am there. Who has destroyed our party itself. The point is this, challenging his criminal, this summon, one criminal revision petition was filed. That was listed on Friday. Vacation bench. 6 hours I sat for that matter. Matter was not called on. Then at the end I mentioned the matter before the Honorable Judge. The Honorable Judge said that the matter will come up on Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday I was in Delhi for doing the matter. Tuesday I came here. And Tuesday, you know, the search was conducted. Then yesterday morning I mentioned the matter before the court, Justice Kaushik Chandra, and said that matter is extremely urgent. And why urgency I explained, that search and etc. The Honorable Court said that the matter would be taken up today. Yesterday at 12:30 one lawyer came and said that Abhishek Banerjee has sent to him. And I just tell me. Then said that regarding the search another writ petition has been filed. I said that this is the already I have mentioned the matter in the criminal division. Why did you file the petition without consulting me? You can file but without consulting me. It's better that one man, one gentleman should handle the matter. And if you think that I can't do the matter, you take it the matter. And don't treat me as my dustbin. And inform me within 1 hour, 2 hours. Whole day nothing has been informed. I have been informed in the morning today by my son that around 12:30 instruction has come that Mr. Oyan Bhattacharya will appear, I will not appear. Very good. I have not appeared. And henceforth I will not be appearing in any matter on behalf of Abhishek Banerjee. Because this arrogant attitude, I don't like it. One must respect to the seniors. I am 45 years in the profession. All these persons have worked with me as junior. How can he humiliate me? I am also senior in politics. He can't do it in this way. He should understand because of him that we have lost it. He should understand this. He should understand the party is facing this problem because of him. Only because of him. But he will be going disrespecting everyone, disrespecting me. This is not tolerable. I can't tolerate. I will request the Didi, if you depend upon the Abhishek Banerjee, then you remain with the Abhishek Banerjee, leave me. And if you leave Abhishek Banerjee, I am there. Who has destroyed our party itself. This is the reason.
There has been this difference in opinion earlier also. What is the solution, sir?
I don't know. In 2022 I spoke. You know that time. But his attitude has not been changed. Despite the bad days of the party. I am senior to him. Also a notice of eviction was served upon his parents. Didi called me, I made the draft, send it, again went to the another lawyer.
Is he doing
this is doing. Point is this, whatever you like to do, yes. He doesn't have task on me. Then why you are coming to me? Why you are unnecessarily wasting my time? Go to the lawyers. Do it. Am I not doing the Trinamool Congress workers matter? Udayan Go matters, I did it. Anticipatory bail, I got it. He got it. Yesterday, criminal case has been stayed against Udayan Go. So many matters, so many poor workers, all are sitting, you see. But he is the boss. This boss attitude will, so long it will remain, party will not survive. Party will not survive if Abhishek Banerjee is there.
The,
Point and simple.
the
Finish.
MPs who
Dada,
are
you had
rebelled-
conversation with Didi regarding
No,
this
I have
matter?
not. I have informed the Derek has called me. I informed. Thereafter, Didi has not called me and said anything. I am not saying. But I will be doing other person's matter. Other matter I will do it.
other Trinamool Congress matters you will do?
Ah, yes, yes. He is not the Trinamool Congress. He is not everything of Trinamool Congress. He is not that.
आप दीदी के साथ
He is a parachute in Trinamool
आप
Congress.
दीदी के साथ हैं
हाँ, दीदी का साथ है, लेकिन दीदी को सोच लेना होगा, दीदी कौन लोग को लेके चलेगा। मेरा साथ ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं है, अभिषेक बनर्जी का साथ ब्लड रिलेशन है, ठीक है। दीदी को अभी सोचना होगा, जिस लोग का साथ ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं है, जो लोग 35-40 बरस दीदी का साथ काम करते हैं, दीदी उन लोग को नहीं चलेगा, नहीं जिसका साथ ब्लड रिलेशन है उनको लेके चलेगा। दीदी को यही भी समझाना होगा।